Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we remove language in our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to remove language in your Tecno phone, so friends you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove language in our Tecno phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to remove our phone languages. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your system setting is tap here, and friends you can see your language setting tap here. Guys, click on languages setting. So as you can see your language guys, extra language guys you have, and guys you want to remove this language. So friends, how can you remove it? So friends, right side you can see this three dot option. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on remove option, and guys, which language guys you want to remove guys, choose this language and guys remove from here. So this extra language will remove in your phone, and guys you have only your English language one. So once you want to add in language, you can add from here. So like that guys, you can remove your language in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.